Hi, it's Colin McIntyre here again. And one of the things that is really impressive about Leadpages is the versatility you have when you publish it. There are a number of ways you can publish your landing pages once you've created them. In today's short video, I'm going to talk about the HTML options, which allow you to install a lead page created landing page on any domain you own and have access to either Cpanel or direct admin. So I'm going to go onto my laptop. I'm going to talk you through where you get the HTML code and how you install it.
Once you've published your page, you get other publishing options. So we published this to a domain in the last video. If we have a look at the Actions tab, we have Publishing Options. And the ones I want to talk about today are the HTML. And you've actually got two options of HTML. So the preferred one, the one that Leadpages want you to use, is a dynamic HTML file. And what that does is that allows Leadpages to carry on tracking the performance of your landing page. But you can also, so you just press that button and you'd get a dynamic HTML, or you can come down here and you can get a static HTML file. Okay, so I've downloaded those previously and I'll show you the difference. Okay, so the one that they prefer you to use is the dynamic HTML, and in effect you get a tiny piece of code which says go and read the information from this page. So in other words, when you put this code onto one of your domains, all it actually is doing is redirecting back to the published page. That means all the tracking of conversions or of visitors can be carried out by Leadpages. Okay. The second one is a full HTML version of your page. So it's just translated into HTML code and available for you to put on your page. Now I'm going to go through how to install this, and I'm going to use one of my hosting accounts has recently gone from Cpanel to direct admin, so I'm going to do it in direct admin rather than Cpanel. But what you need to remember is the principle is the same. So you've got to do the following things: download the file, create a folder on one of your domains in your hosting account, upload the file that you've got from Leadpages, and then rename it to index.html. Okay, so let me just click this back to the main direct admin page. Okay, so this is a direct admin domain software. Seems to be replacing Cpanel on a number of hosting accounts, and certainly in two that I have. So, but if you were in Cpanel, it would be the same. You'd want to find a file manager, and then you're going to find a domain that you plan to install the software on. Okay. So I've got a domain called collinscollection.com. Come into the public HTML. Right, I mean, it's actually it's a WordPress site, but it doesn't matter. So there I want to create a folder. And I'm going to call that folder dog training. So now we're going to go in the new folder. Okay, so I'm in the new folder and there's nothing in the folder. I'm then going to upload a file. And I'm going to take the dynamic one and upload. Okay. So I need to rename that. And you always want to rename it to index.html. Index, rename. So now I've created a folder on collinscollection.com called dog training, and there's now an index file in that folder. And that's the page we created in Leadpages. So that means any page you create in Leadpages, you can go and publish on any domain you own, and you have access to either Cpanel or what's it called, Direct Admin. So that's great flexibility, and it saves you using lots of custom domains. It just means you can use existing domains any way you want.
So it is really easy to install your Leadpages HTML code on any domains you own, which is a fantastic option. If you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel so that you'll see further videos about Leadpages. And the next video I'm going to talk about an option where you can publish a Leadpages landing page on a WordPress installation. So if you've got a blog that runs on WordPress, that will be the option for you. So I'll have that video in the next couple of days. So as I said, do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it.